Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change your home page on Google Chrome on Xiaomi. So for doing this, you just open Google Chrome and now you just need to go here and choose settings, and in settings you need to find in basics homepage, line homepage. So just click on homepage and here you need to find that it's turning on. If it's off, just turn it on and just click on open this page. So now you can also change your page to link you want to be your home page. So for example, Facebook. I will add Facebook as my home page. And just click save. So here you can see that it successfully changed to facebook.com. So now we will go back and try to click on homepage, and here you can see that it successfully open our Facebook. So let's try again. So everything works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.